हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स हैव द डिस्कस ऑफ एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट टीपीसी 81। बात करते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। फॉर अ प्लाज्मोलाइज्ड सेल्स वाटर पोटेंशियल्स कैन बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज साइन डब्ल्यू इक्वल टू साइन एस। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टैक्सोनॉमिक categories which is the most inclusive that is the highest in the hierarchy class. Question number 3, which of the following is an incorrect statement? डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स आर नेगेटिवली चार्ज। उसके बाद फिर बात करते हैं बी की, अ जीन whose expressions help to identify transformed cells is known as selectable markers। फिर exonuclease enzymes cut the DNA within the specific positions। नो exonuclease आउटसाइड से यानी एंड पॉइंट से कट करता है। फिर बैक्टीरिया प्रोटेक्ट themselves from virus by the fragmenting viral DNA upon entry with endonucleases। करेक्ट। Question number 4. Identify the odd one with respect to helminthic disease, amoebiasis. Question number 5. Pedigree is shown below for the disease that is autosomal dominant. What would be the genetic makeup of the first generations for capital A small a into small a small a? Question number 6. Read the following statements with respect to the lack of peron and select the correct options. It has three structural changes. Correct है. Glucose can act as the inducers. No. Lactose represses protein act in the presence of lactose. Glucose फिर repressor is synthesized by the regulators in option number C is correct. Question number 7. Inbreeding is done to evolve pure line of an animal. Question number 8. The chemicals that are pro-life with reference to humans being are regarded as one of the most significant discoveries of the 20th century. Have greatly improved our capacity to treat the deadly disease, can kill or retard the growth of disease causing microbes, and all of these are correct. Question number 9. The doctrine of appetency was part of Lamarck theory of evolution. Question number 10. Which statements about genetically modified gene modified food is false? Okay. Scientists have used genetic modifications in various forms as a mean of improving crop yields, crop quality, and pest resistance for many years. First, genetic modifications includes products made by artificial mutagenesis and by non-natural crosses between unrelated species. A major difficulty in labeling foods as gene modified free is that it is virtually impossible to measure genetically modified DNA or protein molecules in most food made from gene modified crops. Okay. फिर दी ऑप्शन नंबर डी है द reluctant decisions for McCain food to stop processing gene modified potatoes means that they will eventually use less pesticides to produce the potatoes that are required to make fries. No. Question number 11. In an area DDT has been used extensively, the populations of birds declined significantly because many of the birds laid the egg but did not hatch. Question number 12. A clone can be defined as a group of genetically similar organisms produced through the asexual reproductions. Question number 13. The highly effective contraceptive method in the following for tubectomy. Question number 14. A male branch of Funaria has 10 antheridia and produced a sum total of 1400 spermatozoids. What are number of androcytes mother cells in each androcium, assuming each of the Enteridia has the same number of androcytes? 70. क्वेश्चन 15, इसमें बताना है वेरिएशंस ऑफ द पॉपुलेशंस ऑफ द प्रोड्यूसर्स, प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स एंड सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर्स एज वेल एज द अमाउंट ऑफ dissolved mineral salt in a pond. ओके, यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूसर, प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर्स डिपेंड करता है एक्स वाई डब्ल्यू। ओके, डब्ल्यू वाई जे एक्स। ओके, क्वेश्चन 16, exploring molecular genetics and species level diversity of the products of economic importance is called as bioprospecting. Question number 17, level of follicle stimulating hormone during infancy and adulthood is the same, but spermatogenesis is seen only during adulthood. mRNA levels coding for FSH receptors are also found to be same in testes of both age groups. Which of the following investigations will clarify this paradox a little more? Culture testicular cells and add LH2C testosterone productions. Question 18. Bark formed early in the seasons is called soft bark and towards the end of the season is called hard bark. Question 19. Microorganisms growing in oceans are called as halophilic. Question 20. Consumption of alcoholic beverages will lead to greater volume of urination than normal. Question 21. Consider the following statements. And man vertebral column has 33 vertebra, 33 होते हैं, organized as 28 bones, 5 vertebra. Okay, 28 is not 5. Pelvic girdle is made up of 2 fused bones only. No. Osteoporosis is the characterized by the micro-architectural deteriorations of the bone. Correct. Question 22. Asparagus is a xerophyte with fibrous root storing food. Question 23. The kind of cartilage present in the epiglottis is also found in cartilage of Santorini. Question 24. Which category of nervous systems comprises the whole complex of nerves, fibers, ganglia, and plexus, by which impulses travel from central nervous system to visceral organs and vice versa? Visceral nervous system. Question 25. Bryophytes can be differentiated from pteridophytes in the absence of vascular tissue system. Question 26. Dormancy of seed is broken by gibberellins. Question 27. Pili are found in E. coli. पूछा क्या है? इनकरेक्ट पूछा. ओके, ये करेक्ट है. फिर टिकोइक एसिड इज एब्सेंट इन ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया. ओके, दिस इज करेक्ट. फिर मीजोसोम्स इंक्रीजेस इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर ग्राम negative. No, for positive bacteria spherical shaped bacteria do not form chains. Identify the incorrect. Form करता है. Question 28. Deactivations of the enzymes above 40 degrees centigrade affect the dark regions of the photosynthesis and decreases the rate of photosynthesis. Question 29. The numbers of herbices increases in the human living at higher altitudes because there is less oxygen in mountains. Question 30. Which of the following is an incorrect match of essential elements and functions? Incorrect. Manganese, structural component of chlorophyll. No. Magnesium central होता है. Calcium component of the middle lamina. फिर zinc enzyme activators. Iron component of ferrotoxins. Correct. Question 31. CO2 dissociate from carbamino hemoglobins when partial pressure of O2 is high and partial pressure of CO2 is low. Question 32. Relationship between amino acid and proteins is similar to one found of which among the following is nucleotides and nucleic acid. Question number 33. During meiosis, the disjunctions of chromosomes can be seen in this stage. NFS first. Question number 34. When the veins of anal column in the anal canal as well as the anus is enlarged, it is called as hemorrhoids. Question number 35. Find the odd one out with respect to arthropods, closed circulatory system. Question number 36. Once a synaptic junctions between neurons has allowed transmissions of a nerve impulse, it is made ready to transmit next impulse by the actions of acetylcholine stress. Question 37. To add parturitions, it is advisable to administer a hormone that can activate smooth muscles. Question 38. When malic acid is the respiratory substance, the amount of CO2 released is more than oxygen consumed. Question number 39. Which of the following viral disease cause weakening of muscles and paralysis? Poliomyelitis, infantile paralysis. Question number 40. In an experiment on the pea plants, round yellow seed were crossed with plants producing green wrinkled seed. The phenotype ratio of the progeny will be. This is not so correct. Question number 41. The prehistoric human in the Pleistocene epoch was Neanderthal man. Question number 42. The UN Conference of the Parties on the Climate Change in the 2012 was held in Doha. हालांकि ये previous question है. Question number 43. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the treatment of cancers? A common weed, Catharanthus roseus, is a source of two anti-cancer drugs, vincristine and vinblastine. Correct है. Catharanthus roseus. Okay. फिर alpha interferons are used as biological response modifiers that activate their immune system to destroy tumor cells. Correct है. Taxol's drug is used for treatment of breast and ovarian cancer. फिर आगे फिर डे की बात करते हैं. रेडियो आइसोटोप्स लाइक कोबाल्ट, CO 60 and iodine 131 are used in chemotherapy. No. Question 44. Which one of the following is element play an important role in the biological nitrogen fixation? Molybdenum. Question 45. The hormone responsible for the mucus plug formations in the cervix of a pregnant female is progesterone. Question 46. In Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification, eukaryotic organisms were assigned to 4 of the 5 kingdom. Question 47. Identify a pair of flowering following plants which shows a modifications of axillary buds into tendrils and hooks respectively, Passiflora and Hugonia. Question 48. About 70% of the total global carbon is formed in oceans. Question 49. ए फाइलिक ग्लैंड को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, बी स्मॉल ट्यूब्यूल्स को, और सी रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ई रिप्रेजेंट करता है इजाकुलेटरी डक्ट को. Question 50. Which one of the following is considered important in the development of seed habit heterospory. क्वेश्चन 51, वाई ऐसे ईस्ट आर्टिफिशियल क्रोमोसोम करेक्ट है, फिर बी एल सी बैक्टीरियल आर्टिफिशियल क्रोमोसोम ये भी करेक्ट है, एल सी इथिकल लीगल एंड सोशल इशू से भी करेक्ट है, सिंगल जीन न्यूक्लियो एस एन पी होता सिंगल न्यूक्लियोटाइड पॉलीमरेज नॉन पॉलीमरेज polymorphism should be also nucleotide for polymorphism single nucleotide of polymerism. Question 52, promotions of flowering by a period of low temperature is one of the ligations. Question 53, male produces sperm by mitosis is Apis mellifera. Question 54, penicillium does not allow the growth of staphylococcus bacterium. This type of biotic interactions is called as evangelism. Question 55, the most important cause from evil quartet for losses of biodiversity is habitat loss and fragmentation. Question 56, the genes for synthesis of beta carotene was obtained from dadophil to be inserted into rice for producing transgenic golden rice. Daffodil and narcissus pseudo नार्सिसस, हालांकि ये नीट 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है. Question 57, the principal pathway of the water translocations in angiosperms is xylem and xylem vessel system. Question 58, true and false बताना है यहाँ पर. The type of the gas produced depends upon the microbes and the organic substance they utilize. Correct है. फिर certain bacteria that grow anaerobically on the cellulose materials produce a large amount of the methanes along the CO2 and O2. हालांकि ये false होना चाहिए but anaerobically correct होगा. Methanobacterium is a common methanogens, ये true है. Methanogens are commonly found in the aerobic sludge during the sewage treatment. Anaerobic ये correct है. Question 59, photophosphorylation is the synthesis of ATP from ADP. Question 60, each carpel of the gloriosas includes 60 ovules. Out of the 27% of becomes absorptive and another 13% could not be fertilized due to various reasons. How many seeds occurs in the capsules if all the remaining ovules are fertilized in the lone flower of the plant? 108. Question number 61. The cambium located in between xylem and phloem is dichotestem is known as interfascicular cambium. Question number 62. Which of the following is not true about asthma? It is also caused by infections. This is not correct. The basic defect is chronic airway inflammation. Correct है. The airway smooth muscles is hyper responsive. Correct है. It can be treated with bronchodilators therapy. Correct. Question number 63. The term venereal disease refer to disease transmitted by the agency of sexual contact. Question 64. The Bentham and Hooker's systems of classification, the subclass polypetally and gammopetally have the cohorts in the ratio of 3:2. Question 65. In human fetus, the hemoglobin has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Question 66. In which of the following biomes decompositions of detritus will be fastest? Tropical rainforest. Question 67. In RH Whitaker's the 5-kingdom classification, there is no mentions of viruses. Question 68. In man, 4 phenotypes of the flight groups are due to the presence of antigens A and antigen B on the RBCs of the chromosomes. That has the gene to control these antigens is 9th chromosome. Question 69. A conditions called the hypothyroidism can be resulted due to toxicity of thiocyanate, फिर propyl thiouracils, high concentrations of inorganic iodides. Question number 70. Which of the following elements is not present in a nitrogenous base phosphorus? Question number 71. Which of the following is non-cellular layers in the Graafian follicles, zona pellucida? Question number 72. Quiescent phase is arrest of cell cycle and onset of the differentiations. Question number 73. Tooth birds became extinct in Cretaceous. Question number 74. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Tobacco contains numbers of chemical substances including nicotines and alkaloid character. Nicotine stimulates adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline, which increase blood pressures and heart rates. Tobacco chewing is associated with the increased risk of cancer of the oral cavity. Correct. Smoking reduces carbon monoxide content. Incorrect. Question number 75. Which one of the following organisms is correctly matched with its three characters? Onion bulb, imbricates, astivations, exile presentation. Question number 76. Involuntary coordinations of muscles is carried out by cerebellum. Question number 77. In heart, during systoles, arteria and ventricles contact separately. Question number 78. The amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the synthesis of melatonin and serotonin. Question number 79. Cis and trans phase are present in Golgi bodies. Question number 80. Cephalization is associated with bilateral symmetry. Question number 81. Glycosidic bond is formed between two carbon atoms of the adjacent monosaccharide. Two atoms of adjacent monosaccharides. Question number 82. Which of the following would be considered the fittest in a populations of wolves? Wolf that leaves most number of offspring. Question number 83. Illuminated zone of sea is euphotic stratum. Question number 84. Book written during 2000 BC with wealth of information regarding medicinal plant and their uses. Atharva Veda. Question 85. The following cross was conducted by Morgan on Drosophila. In F2 generations, progeny had parentals and recombinant traits in the ratio of 62.8% ratio to 37.2%. At what percentage of the F2 progeny would have the given conditions? 9.3%. Okay. Question number 86. Which of the following two are the resultant of stipule modifications? Spines in Ziziphus with tendrils in Smilex. Question number 87. Fountain's John theory of amoeboid locomotions is proposed by Allen. Question 88. The first clinical gene therapy was done by treatment of SCID. Question 89. An area of the retina which does not have rods of or cones. Blind spot. Question 90. In the year 1868, the DNA was discovered by the Swedish biochemist फ्रेडरिच मिस्चर्स। इस प्रकार आपके 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते हैं। आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक एंड शेयर करें, और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच वॉच फॉर दिस वीडियो, और मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ।